and 100% waterproof motorcycle saddle bag. Seamless welding technology imported from Europe. Made 89% light reflective effect. Full body PVC waterproof material. 3 steps to install the Kusima saddle bag. First, install PU board. Second, bind the side strap above the seat. Finally, contact the elastic ropes to be more secure. To take the bag off the bike for a minute, you got the soft strap handle. 2 color options, cool black and cool green. All details were refined for Night's better riding experience. Our monthly capacity reaches 10,000 units. Kusima, contact now for better motorcycle saddlebag solutions.